How to fix Sklauncher crashing. There are multiple ways in doing the very basic troubleshooting step. First one is just by turning off your a firewall. So just go into your Windows icon and then just simply type in firewall. And what you want to choose from here is just heading straight into Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security. Pull that up, and you will be provided with a specific new window. In here, what you want to do is just simply turn off private profile and then just simply try to rerun on the same patch that you're trying to access. Now, the other thing that you do, except for checking in your internet connection if it is stable, is directly from the SK launcher. So from here, just head straight into the latest release and then just choose on this plus icon under Installations Manager. Now, from here, choose whether it's a vanilla Forge Fabric, Kilt, or Neo Forge version. And then under this specific version right here, just simply scroll down till you find the star icon that actually suits from the new release. So that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to fix SK Launcher crashing.